Right, on with the first job. So, backlight on the car, pop that in there, pull that little tab out, little pick, pull the little clip out, plug, then should come out. Little tab in there to push down. So pull that little red bit out, push the tab down, let the plug come out, ring that holds the light in. And the light comes out. Just like that. And then just a case of getting that little clip up without it snapping, which is probably easier said than done, to be fair. One done. Two. Three. Four. Whoop. Alright, okay, that's new. So, wow. So that is a stop and tail light bulb. So it's on CAN bus, so that there's a common air because it links both together. Or am I talking crap? So that's power in. And yeah, like he said, don't know how well you can see that, but it has started to go black inside. So we'll give that a bit of a clean and see what happens. So the big two that are nearest each other, which is this one and that one, is what hold the bulb, and then the other one inside is the actual contact, which has gone bad. So what we'll do is give it a clean and see how we get on. Righto, so we've got the terminals are clean, and I'm just going to pop that back in, and what we'll do is leave it there, so hopefully we can kind of see it. Might have to sit it on there a minute. So we'll put the ignition on, give it a try, see if it works. And job's a good one. So, right, normally on older cars, leave it in there, on older cars then you'd have a stop and tail light bulb, but it'd have two filaments in it. Because this is on CAN bus or multiplexing, it's only got the one filament, and different voltages goes down the wire to it. So It's on a 12 volt system, so 12 volt brake light will be the full 12 volt. For the side lights, it might get half that, for example, so it might get 6 volt. So it'll have 6 volt going to it for the tail light, and then 12 volt supply will go to it for the actual stop light itself. So that's lovely in there. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to potentially, I might spray a bit of WD in there, but I think at the moment I'll just leave it and see how I get on. Then if I get any more problems in the future, we can look at either getting a new one of these because they are prone for going, or we can look at putting some WD in it, just to, or copper grease would be even better. But I'm not sure how much that would affect the resistance and the voltage for the light. So this now, 2 of them pops back in on the outside, string wing nut and the clip, and we're done. I'll pop that on while I can get to it nice and easy. Push a little red tab in. Wing nut in. Job done. On to the next one.